If you are a home buyer, here are the 5 things you should not do in order to get your offer accepted. Hi, I am Suma Sridhar, realtor and a real estate broker in the San Francisco Bay Area. With the housing market heating up, buying a home can be stressful with more buyers competing for properties. That is why it is so important not to develop these bad habits when writing an offer. Not knowing what the seller wants. In competitive markets where homes can have multiple offers, it is important to know what the seller wants before submitting an offer. Besides price, there are many other factors a seller considers when looking at offers. It is important to have a good agent on your side that will find out what terms are ideal for the seller and hopefully work for you too. Maybe a seller would like to rent back to have more time to move or need a fast close to get into a replacement home. The more you can sweeten the offer by making it less stressful on the seller, the more likely your offer will be considered. Be sure not to also second guess yourself. As a buyer, it is easy to second guess yourself and start to feel anxious about your purchase. Make sure you have a checklist of your wants and needs and a good understanding of your financial situation. Being indecisive as a buyer could cost you the home if you wait too long to make decisions or commitments. Be careful not to stay with an agent who is not a good fit. Always work with an agent who will have your best interest in negotiations and closing of the transaction. A good realtor should fully understand all of your needs, be a good listener and communicator, and respond to all of your questions. After all, they are going to be negotiating on your behalf on one of the biggest purchases of your lifetime. Don't ask for too much. We have all heard the saying, they asked for everything but the kitchen sink. Well, asking for a seller too many freebies can come across as demanding and disrespectful. It is always best to be sincere and fair and doing this part of negotiations that benefit both the parties involved. So, maybe that upgraded refrigerator needs to go with the seller in order for your offer to be accepted. Waiving inspections in a competitive market, waiving contingencies to gain competitive edge over other buyer is very common. However, although it might be appealing to a seller, it's more important to a buyer to know of any potential and expensive problems. That's why it is important to have your inspections. Waiving the inspections could cost you thousands of dollars down the road. If you are a buyer and would like more information on the current inventory in your area, please reach out to my team and me. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, realtor and real estate broker in the SF Bay Area. With a tradition of excellence and integrity, when you do what you love, people love what you do. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.